Okay, you guys, it's Tavy here again with another video. My Ipsy just came, and Ipsy is a subscription box, just like BoxyCharm. The subscription boxes are boxes that you can get like a monthly subscription, and most of the time they try to send you products that you would not ordinarily buy, and they send you some pretty good high-end products. Now, the Ipsy I have here is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which comes in a box that retails for, I think it's like $25 a month, I think. But they have the smaller Ipsy that's $10 a month that comes with sample size. So we're gonna dive into this box and see what we have. Ipsy does let you customize, I think, one product every month, let you choose the one product that you would like in your box. And then they also tell you, like, show you what you're getting every month. I think on the second or the third, you can see everything that's gonna be in your box. So I do know what's in the box, mostly from what I can remember, but I like Ipsy. So the first thing I'm going to show you is a firmer brush, and if you see me bronze, I bronze with this brush. I actually redeemed some points. They give you some points when you review your products that you receive, and you can use those points towards other items. So the first thing in my box, I can't remember, and some of this stuff was an add-on. They do give you a card, just like BoxyCharm, with the products in here. And then Ipsy also open up add-ons where you can add on products at a cheaper price. So my first product is that I added on. Y'all know I love sheet masks. So these are Recipe sheet masks. There's a peach sheet mask in here. I forget how much I paid for these. There's a peach one, and then there's a blueberry one, which I am looking forward to using these. So our next product that we have in here is the Tarte Dream Big eyeshadow palette. This says it retails for $30, so you can purchase this palette for $30, but of course this is more than worth, the value of this is more than what I paid for the actual box. I have been looking at pictures of this palette online, and it looked good. Sometimes your products can come damaged, and Ipsy will either refund you or send you a new product. So we're gonna hope that this palette isn't broken, because I really want to use it. Oh, it's not broken. So I'm gonna show you the packaging. It says Dream Big, and then here are the eyeshadows. These eyeshadows I really like. I like this color here and this color, and you know, of course, we don't mind the neutrals and the browns. So I'm gonna use this one day. It smells, man, it smells really nice. I wish I can explain it. Kind of like chocolate, more like chocolate. I didn't even know it had a scent to it, but it smells really nice. I really like this palette. And so we have a fairer brush set. So our brush set. So if you get subscription boxes, you're gonna get a lot of brushes. So this is a 5-piece brush eye set. And Farrah Brush Line, you could probably find them online on their website. They are vegan brushes. And this is a 5-piece eye brush set, which we know we will put to good use. I love eye brushes, and I like these. And they usually send you some different types of brushes. So I really like the subscription boxes, because you get to get some different types of brushes, and you just get exposed to some new things. So our next thing we have in here is the AVA Hydration Cream Mask. I'm not sure how to pronounce this, but this is valued at $33. So this is a product that is also worth more than the box. Now it says that this is infused with Dead Sea water. This mineral-rich mask helps brighten and hydrate your skin while drawing out impurities. Does your sun-parched skin need a little extra TLC? This rich formula also works overnight to rehydrate. It says tip, once or twice a week, massage into skin until fully absorbed. Rinse off after 3 to 5 minutes for extra hydration. Wear to sleep, then rinse off in the AM. I may put this in a giveaway, because I got a lot of moisturizers, and I don't know if I want a moisturizer that, I mean, I wash my face anyways, but I don't know if I want a moisturizer that I have to rinse off. I got plenty of them that I haven't gotten into using, so I don't know if this is going to be one that I'm going to actually get into using. So our next one is the Murad HAA BHA exfoliating cleanser. This is worth $39, and it is big. How many ounces is this? This is huge. It's 6.75 fluid ounces. So this is like the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow that I like to use. It's got the AHA and the BHA. It's an exfoliating cleanser. This hard-working cleanser will give your skin life. Glycolic and lactic acids, both AHAs, clear dead skin cells with silic acid. Silic acid is a BHA. It penetrates deep into pores, clear out excess dirt and oil. Jojoba beads gently polish and refine skin, leaving it brighter, clear, and radiant. It says tip to squeeze $1 or quarter-sized dollop into the palm and dot over damp face and neck, avoiding eyes, and gently massage in circles and rinse and allow and follow with the moisturizer. And it says use this 2 to 3 times a week. Again, I'm gonna pick one of these, either this one or this one. I'm such a klutz. To go into the giveaway, because I don't know if I really want this one, because I really love my other AHA BHA. And then this one is an exfoliating cleanser, and I kind of like the exfoliators. I got 2 different ones, so we'll see if this will be one that I keep. So we also have Silver Beauty Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drop. So what is this? The value of this is $26. So every product in here is worth more. Each product is much more worth more than a box. Probably stuff for my add-on. So, oh, this is beautiful. So this is like, it's just a gold liquid highlighter. It says, in the time of shine, liquid highlighter gets you from head to toe. So you could use this all over your body as a body highlighter, or you could just put some liquid highlighter here and use it as that. I do have some more liquid highlighters in here. I got a Benefit one too somewhere. Here's the Benefit one, and here's the Silver. So they're both brand new. I've never used them before, but I'm gonna try out the liquid highlighters because I've got some, but I haven't actually tried them. They look about the same color, so I don't know. Maybe one of these to be going to giveaway. So I also have another add-on that I bought myself, but it was with like it costs like a lot less than what you would buy if you buy it in the store, and it's the Purely's Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer with 30 of SPF. So I purchased this just because, like, if I don't feel like doing a 2-step with my SPF and moisturizer, and if it's gonna be a light day and sometimes you don't have time to be doing all that, you could just grab your moisturizer that's got a little SPF in it if you're not gonna be out in the sun for too long. So I think this would be perfect use for me for not being out in the sun too long. But if I'm gonna be out in the sun a long time, I'm gonna use my Sunbum. So to give you guys a little extra more information about my giveaway, I will be purchasing a palette for the giveaway. I don't know which palette yet, but I don't want to just give you guys stuff that I get in boxes that I don't want. So I'm gonna also purchase a palette. I don't know when the giveaway when it's gonna be, so I don't know what palette it's gonna be, because like the palettes that are in now, maybe by the time I get to a certain number of subscribers, or by the time I get enough stuff for a giveaway, it may be a new hot and popping palette. So I don't know what palette that would be, but I am going to purchase a palette with my own money for the giveaway for you guys, because you guys make this possible. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Please continue to like the video and comment down below if you have any questions about subscription boxes, or even if you just want to tell me what you got in your box, or what you enjoy in your box if you received the Ipsy. Thank you.